Hi there. So today we're going to look at the Shark product, Steam and Scrub. It says Plus Steam Blaster Technology. Gently scrub and sanitize with chemical-free clean and finish. And then in there it says Steam Blaster, more steam, more power, where you need it most. Removes 99% of household germs and bacteria. So yeah, up to 2 times better stuck-on stain removal with 150 rotations per minute. Wow. Designed for all sealed hard floors. So I think he will do well on this one, hopefully. So yeah, let's take it out and see what we have in. So as soon as I take it out, there's some instructions in here. So that's the steam mop handle. That's the steam trigger. That's a quick release cord holder. And then we have the water tank, which is in there. Steam mop body, mode button, and then steam blaster, dirt grip, soft scrub pad in there, and then it shows in here how to put it together. So one, insert the mop handle into the steam mop body until it clicks in place. Then you put the pads, attach the dirt grip soft scrub pads by placing both pads flat on the floor. Okay, fill out the water tank, pull the cap back and fill the water with fill the tank with water only. Then reinstall the tank, and then plug in the steam mop and select a steam setting, light, normal or deep. Wait 20 seconds, then you tilt the handle back to activate the spinning pads. Okay, so I'll take it out first. You have more instructions in here. So this is the trigger, yeah, Shark, and that's where you put the cord on. Then you have 6 of these pads, so that's quite nice. Is like they said, you put 2 on the, they're all the same. That's quite nice that you have 6. You know, when you clean some, then use the others, and I hope you can clean them though. Let's see what they say on the label. They say anything if you can. So machine wash separately in warm water. So that's good. Use only a mild liquid laundry detergent. Do not use bleach or fabric softener. Nice, I like that. The cord seems to be quite long, which is perfect. Yeah, and this is the device itself. I guess I have to remove this first. Oop. So let's see, first of all, as it goes in place, and you just move it back straight and you should click in position, hopefully. So let's just take these labels together off. Yes, please. And then this one as well, that new stuff. Okay, so let me pause the video a bit to do the cord. Yeah guys, the cord is pretty long, and it also has this, which is quite useful. But yeah, the cord is definitely pretty long, maybe like 3-4 meters, which is really good. I'm not gonna plug it in just yet. We're gonna have a look around this. So this is where the water tank is, and I think, like they said, it's removable. So how do you do it? Pull the tank out using the 2 indemnations. So these ones So I guess you just pull. At the moment it's not really pulling unless it's up. Okay, not too sure, it doesn't want to go from there. So how do you pull this out? It just shows in here that you just pull it out like that, brute force. And in here it says do not step on there, and the pads are rotating. There's some more information in here for you geeks out there. 1120 watts. And then that's how it is in here. On the front you have the steam level, deep, normal and light, and then shark, steam, scrub, and that's where it pushes water through. I think I remember I've seen this. What does it say? Yeah, that's where it does it. It says warning, danger of scalding, and that's how it looks like on the bottom. So yeah guys, and there's also these things in here which I think is light. That's pretty cool. So I'll pause the video, put everything together. So yeah guys, I've held it with one hand on this and I've dragged it out, and it just it's easy to remove from there. Okay, so I put this much water, and now I'm just trying, I'll put it back in, but I probably need both hands. Click back in position. This is installed as well. So now we just need to put the pads in. If you remember, they were saying to put them on and then place this on top of them. So I'm gonna put that there, this there, and hope for the best. Let me just drag this one back. I don't know, that's how you actually have to put it on. Okay, I mean, I don't really see how other way to do it. I'm gonna just check them. Okay, they're perfectly aligned. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, and I think we're good to go. So let me just let me see if you can move this a bit. Oh, it's a bit stiff. I'm gonna break it. Because I would expect this to go a bit further back. Let's have a quick look in here. Plug this in moment. I mean, it definitely went left, right. So when you first plug it in, it shows like this. So that's on light, normal, and deep. So let's do light. The only thing is, so you set in here to leave it. I think it was leave it for a bit, but I don't know. Okay, so when you press this, that sprays. The only problem I have, guys, let me just tell you what. It's just like, it's so stiff. Okay, so you have to push a bit harder, and then it just changes. So I'm gonna clean this area and I'll show you. I think you have to wait for that until it gets hot enough. Let me just choose. Ah, okay, look at that. Let's see. And you do the click a bit to make it a bit, spray some water, You don't even need to do anything, you just let it do the job itself. And they rotate, and then it cleans everything pretty well, I have to say. If I leave it on its own, it just does this. Wow, I think it's already looking much better in here. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I really love it, and look at that, you can even clean in the dark. Thanks for watching. That's the Shark.